How to delete Facebook account. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your Facebook account. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. Once you land to the menu page, at the top right corner you can find the settings icon. Click on it. After you land to the settings and privacy page, you can find different sections over here. Head towards the section of account center. Click on it. Now open this option, personal details. Now navigate to this option of account ownership and control. Now click on this option of deactivation or deletion. Now click on your Facebook username. Over here you will find two options, deactivate account and delete account. Check in for the option of delete account. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information you have shared on Facebook. Your main profile, your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. Click on continue. Before you delete, you have to give a reason why do you want to delete your Facebook account. Select any of the reason and then click on continue. Again click on continue. Now scroll down. If you want to download any of your Facebook information, click on this option of download info, or if you want to transfer any of your Facebook information, click on the option of transfer info. Once you go through these, click on continue. Now go ahead and type in your Facebook account's password. After you type in the password, click on continue. Confirm permanent deletion. After completion of 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. Before 30 days, you can log in anytime and retrieve your account. Click on delete account to continue. And with that, you have just deleted your account. Well, this is how you can easily delete Facebook account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.